When looking for the best wig out there, Hairvivi is always ahead of the game, always improving, and non-stop quality. Okay, this is my third wig from them, you guys. So trust me, they are as bomb as they say they are, and everything is done for you, which is why I love them so much. So before we jump into all of these upgrades that they've put into their product, let's just start with the wig. Right out of the box, it's ready to go. No extra work or plucking or bleaching needed. It's already giving that gradual, natural hairline that everyone is looking for. And then the band is improved with piano key silicone, so that basically means when you go to fit it onto your head, it's not going to be slipping and moving. It's going to stay put. The knots, as you can see, are beautifully bleached, and they're giving you even more parting space on your 13x6. So as deep as you want that side part to go, she can go there with you. Now, all I did was cut the lace a little so it wasn't in my eye, and you can already see that lace is disappearing. The color of the laces have improved, so now you can customize it even more. For me, the perfect shade is cappuccino, but if you need it a little darker, they also have mocha. So when cutting it, because it's so realistic and it literally disappears before your eyes, I recommend taking her off, putting it on the mannequin head, and taking your time. You don't want to cut too far into the wig by accident, so you want to be able to know exactly where you're cutting. Unless you're like myself, super comfortable, I mean, go for it. But now that the lace is cut, you can really see the gorgeous color and tint of that lace. It's practically one with my skin. You can't even see where it is, and that's with absolutely no product. I've done nothing to her yet. Just to show you, the one on the right, cappuccino, is the lace that I have. If you need a little darker tone, they also have mocha. So they're always improving to make sure everyone gets the perfect blend that they need. Now for this tape. I have never heard of this before. I'm used to either seeing bald cap method or your fake scalp, which is the entire lace is covered with this film. This has gotten it to a point where now it is so breathable and lightweight and just easy for you to apply it onto your part only, and that's it. So just making sure that everything is nice and flat, the part is good to go, so we can install our True-scalp tape. And look how deep that parting goes. Haven't done anything to her yet, but it's already flawless. Now for this tape, again, it's pretty cool. The instructions are very easy, simple to follow. All you have to do is cut a dome shape in the beginning of the tape, so that way you have a nice smooth transition, and then you want to place it a few inches back from the hairline. But for me, I like to just put it right where that gradient hairline begins to fade out, so that way you can't really see where it starts. All it took was light pressure to apply, and then I trimmed the back end because it wasn't needed. And after you do that, you don't even know it's there. You can't feel it, but you can definitely see the difference. It hides those grids. It gives you a really natural scalp hairline look without needing to do a bunch of makeup or product, which is really amazing. It's super cool. Now, if you want to go a step further, like I said, it didn't even need any adhesive, but I like to use mousse because it's very lightweight. It doesn't create a big mess or clean up afterwards, and it's very easy to mold. So I use very little, and then once it's in place, go in with your hair dryer on a cool setting until it sets, and that's all you need. Now to make sure you're getting the best melt, go ahead and put on a band. It can be any. I honestly couldn't find mine that has the Velcro because that is the easiest to put on. You don't have to worry about the hair being in the way or trying to tie it up, but use what you got. So I just had a plain regular elastic band that I tied, but you can even use a scarf. All you need is a few minutes with a little bit more pressure in order to get the best melt, especially if you're using any product. And that's it. Flawless install. Hairvivi has the most amazing wigs. Like, even zoomed in, it looks beyond real. The color is now my all-time favorite. I want every single wig in these gorgeous auburn colors. We're ready for fall, season change, and just look at that. You can't even tell that there's nothing on the middle of this wig because it just looks like it's coming out of my scalp.